Guys, we are here today with only one mission, and that is to finish our WowLite Smart Light RGB project for the other side of the fence. We have the second part of the equation right here, so let's get busy and get to work on this. Guys, right here and right now in the Supercar Street Racing dining room, where we are joined by a cigar and some happy rocks, we have the WowLite Smart RGB Permanent Outdoor Light, and we have another set that was so graciously donated by the manufacturer for us to go ahead and finish our light project. And I did order a couple of things for outside for the electrical, and that will help us finish this project because we need to tie into existing electrical outside. But first things first, we need to get outside and go ahead and make the fence all even before we start tying these lights up to the fence. Let's take this thing outside and get to work. All right, we're on the phone now since the GoPro can't exist without overheating even in 70-degree weather. 70-degree weather. Literally, this thing overheated. Ridiculous piece of junk. But anyway, we finished running the lights along the fence. All we have to do on this side now is get the electrical stuff squared away. I ordered the parts for that. And then we'll tie this up really nice, but you can see we have all the lights strung across the fence, and we followed the existing bulbs that do not work 90% of the time. And we went behind the shed because you can't see it. I wanted to go on top of the shed, but there's nothing to put the lights on. There is no eaves. There is on the side, but not on the front. And we followed it all the way to the gate over here. All right, we are out here by the fence, and you can see that we completed this side of the fence and have since turned on the lights. And it looks pretty cool. They run all the way to the other side. And also we are shooting this on the brand new S24 Ultra in 4K 60. Now check it out, guys. We have that side. All right, we got the other side turned on as well. So looking around the property now, you can see we have the lights up on the house as well. And then looking back on that fence, we have totally finished this project. I just need to clean up the wiring down in the corner and install a power stake, which will be coming in today. But that's going to wrap up this video. That's not super important. Basically, all this is going to do over here is give power to my landscape lights and the fence lights, and there'll be a stake right here in the ground next to that landscape light that has a splitter inside of it. And so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the way the wow lights came out on the fence. It really adds such a cool effect to the back of the house, and I'm really hyped for this, and I hope you guys are too, and I hope you try the same project. And now let's throw it into the Supercar Street Racing Studio for information on where to buy your wow lights. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Supercar Street Racing, Brad here, and today we are back again with the WowLights permanent outdoor LED lights, your alternative to the Govee permanent outdoor LED lights. And this is the second set we've had, and we came here today, right here and right now, to finish our project for lighting our fence. The first set went on the left side of the fence. If you're facing the outside of the house towards the pond and the pool, it would be on your left side. The second set here goes on the right side of the yard, and this was offered up to us by the manufacturer at a discount price. The first set we got for free, and the second set we got for about half price. And you can see right here and right now, we did take the second set of outdoor permanent lights from WowLights, and we put them right on the fence on the right hand side of the fence, and we showed you what they look like at night. They use the Smart Life app to control the lights, and we probably tried to sync them up, but I recorded this part first, so I'm not sure if we were able to do that. And I hope you guys will support Supercar Street Racing by buying these WowLights through our link in the description. Everything you can do for Supercar Street Racing helps us because we lose money on the channel. And right here and right now, these have a 4.4-star review, so people do enjoy the WowLight permanent outdoor lights in their yard or on their house. I might be the first person in the world to put them on the fence, but I'm not on the fence about the WowLights. I absolutely love them. Please support the channel by buying anything through any of our links. It doesn't have to be the exact link for the product. Click any of my links and buy anything, and it helps the channel out greatly. We can't hang out a lot today though. We have a lot to do. We've got 75,000 other things to review, but stay tuned. We got another great video coming up soon, and we'll see you guys around.